LED from Wheeling. I'm coming.
You wear them all day.
Well, you just do this, like, so you don't, like, not push it. I mean, like, for the, so don't barely touch it. This is for your fans who wants to know where our trucks come from, because I've gotten messages that which fire trucks where we get those from, and this is the panel, and that from Crimson, and the type of truck it is, engine, is a Metro Star. I know you guys are wondering, this is what a Crimson Metro Star is. And they make Quints and Tillers too. And you know what that is? My favorite unit over there. Just a Chevrolet car.